Welcome to Trade with AI, Episode 1. Did you know that 99% of traders fail within their first year? Stick with me, and I'll show you the exact strategies that the 1% use to stay profitable. Whether you're a professional trader, a beginner, or just someone looking to escape the 9 to 5, this video could change your life. Who am I? I'm KC, a 29-year-old professional trader from Montreal, Quebec. I'm the mastermind behind this operation. While I'm using AI for the voiceover, we will do all the trading ourselves. This channel is primarily about trading because that's my expertise, but the overall goal is simple. Help people achieve their dreams, whatever that may be. Why Forex? I don't know your specific goals, but I assume you need a lot of money and time to achieve them. This is where Forex comes into play. If done correctly, trading offers you both financial freedom and ample free time. Is Forex a scam? I can already hear some of you calling Forex a scam, and surprisingly, I don't totally disagree. Although I love this business and plan to trade for the rest of my life, I also acknowledge that this industry is filled with many dishonest people. Forex itself isn't a scam, it's the people with bad intentions who give it a bad name. How to succeed then? Find the right mentor. It took me a while, but once I found VP, the creator of No Nonsense Forex, everything clicked. He shares everything for free and never asks for a dime. Making money off his students is not his goal, and that alone was enough for me to jump ship. Social proof. Don't just take my word for it. Look at his work, 290K subscribers with a total of 22 million views on YouTube, 27K followers on X, and the most important metric of all, how many traders got funded? At least 40. I challenge any of you to find a channel with this level of success in such a short amount of time. I'll link his website in the description below so you can check out the testimonials or simply browse his page. I highly recommend it. Short-term goal. My testimonial isn't there yet, but I assure you it's just a matter of time. I've been trading for 5 years now, and my goal is to share everything I've learned. I want to guide traders on the right path so they don't repeat my mistakes. This is a lifetime skill that requires a lot of effort, but with my help, it should go much smoother. If I've sparked your curiosity even a little, I've done my job. In conclusion, if you want to trade for a living, you're in the right place. We'll need more videos, and to push out more content, I need questions from you. That's how I'll get to know my audience and see what stage you're at. I already have some lined up, but I definitely need more, so please leave your questions below if you want to see more videos. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level, subscribe and smash that like button. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so you're never behind the competition. You certainly don't want to miss the next video. Let's work.